This is TWiT. You didn't get a phone, right, Lory?
I did not.
Okay.
I've ordered one, but
yeah. I don't mean to focus on Rene, but he's the one who has the phone.
He's the one who's holding them in his hand.
If we lived closer, we would be
showing
sharing.
them off.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I presume you didn't get a Series 5 watch yet. You still just have the phone, or do you have a watch too?
I'm not wearing
me
anything
or Rene?
today.
I do not.
Okay. And Rene's not wearing it today.
I'm sorry. Yeah, exactly. I'm sorry, but
okay. Got it. Got it.
And
The embargo's
Rene,
not off. I understand.
Rene,
that's fine.
I'm having a laugh at your expense, but I am also the person who snuck like a pre-release phone into the studio.
I remember that.
Hidden inside a case for an older phone. So we are just.
I learned
just
from watching Andy on
Andy's
MacBreak.
very good.
People would ask him, and he would be like, "What is that over there? Is that a bird?"
Yeah.
Andy is my sensei, my Yoda.
I don't want to belabor it. I did order.
But I can tell you, I did get to look at them in person. If you have some questions on what that titanium looks like.
I ordered the titanium. I think I'm nuts. I ordered the dark titanium with the link band. I hope that was a good idea.
Nice.
It was a lot of money, so it better be a good idea.
The titanium is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. In terms of the difference in brushed metal, it's definitely the winner, in my opinion, over aluminum. And then when you're getting into that comparison between the polished metal of stainless steel versus the brushed metal of titanium, it's a little more complicated as to what you like better. But I absolutely love the way that titanium looks. It's deep and rich, so it really feels like real jewelry when you look at it. It's gorgeous, and I think I prefer. I don't prefer the black case, but in terms of between the two titanium colors, I prefer the black just because it has this nice shine to it, even though it's brushed. So it's really, really gorgeous. You're gonna love it.
I got the right one, thank God.
I got the same one.
Did you get that too?
I ordered it. Yep.
A little pricey, but I thought, well, in fact, last year I ordered just the cheapest one I could get. But I thought, oh, I kind of like. I've had titanium watches.
I always say that. I'm like, I'm never gonna buy more than the aluminum again. And then every year it's like, oh, we have a new material for you.
I know. So I got the black titanium with the space black link. Do you think that's a good choice? That's what you got, Rene?
Yeah, except I didn't get it with the space black link because I already had that. My first Apple Watch was the black steel that came with that.
Right.
So I got it with one of the new two-tone bands, which I really like.
This will be my first link because I've always resisted it because it's like ridiculously expensive. It's hundreds of dollars for a watch.
The funny thing about it, though, is like other watchmakers had those for 100 years and never thought to make them easy. And now they all do it. Like Apple makes it once, and now the entire world of
easy
link
to take or add a link so that it fits just right. Yeah. This doesn't have a magnet in it, though, because I noticed that they said if you want the compass to work on the watch, don't use a magnetic wrist bracelet. There's no magnet in the link, or is there?
No, there's not.
Not that I need a compass, but
you say that.
Oh, but let's talk about the compass. I'm very excited.
Why? Are you an orienteer? Do you get lost on stage?
I get lost in the woods, actually.
Do you?
It's fantastic to me that they've been able to fit an actual magnetometer. I cannot say that.
Magnetometer.
I apologize for that.
You said it.
It's named after the X-Man Magneto.
Okay. Yes. Into that tiny little Apple Watch, and it's not digital, or it's not based on
That's
GPS
what surprised
tracking.
me. It's not GPS.
It's
a compass. It's literally a magnetic compass.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean,
and that's right there on your wrist.
It's crazy.
It's really impressive.
Well,
so Lory shamed me about this because I didn't think it was a big deal. And then she said it was a really big deal. So I started asking around. And the first thing people told me was, you're out with your family, but you've gotten separated. And you just say, find my wife, find my kid. And then without even touching your phone, it shows you exactly which direction to go as well. And
that also brings up this U1 chip, which Apple mentioned briefly. Did they brief you on ultra wideband? Did they talk about that at all?
They did not very much because the first feature using it, which is going to be a spatial airdrop, is not shipping until 13.1. So they just said this is what it does and this is what's coming.